Hey, I'm Sam and I do design, and in the video today, I'm talking about good design with the INEOS Sanitiser Dispenser. It might shock you to hear that recently I've been thinking about what makes good design. Dieter Rams covered it nicely with his 10 principles that I'm sure most designers can recite in their sleep. Good design is innovative, useful, aesthetic, understandable, unobtrusive, honest, long-lasting, down to the last detail, environmentally friendly, and as little design as possible. But Dieter himself has been the first to admit that his 10 principles can be added to, tweaked, and adjusted to move with the times. What I want to talk about today is trust. I firmly believe that good design is trustworthy. Design can instill a sense of safety, a sense of security, just by being in its presence. That's where the INEOS Sanitiser Dispenser comes in. INEOS Hygienics has been kind enough to send one over, and if you want to talk about trust, here are some of the listed items on their CV. They're one of the leading producers of hospital-grade sanitizers. Now, they're revolutionizing hand hygiene within the home with this touch-free hand sanitizer dispenser. They've got close links to cycling, sailing, and football, but I'm particularly excited because of their close links to Formula One, and I am a huge Formula One fan, and I'm really excited for the new season. Throughout 2020, they donated millions of hand sanitizer bottles to hospitals, and in short, they're kind of a big deal. If something is manufactured, chances are INEOS was involved at some point in the process. So why is this so important for 2021 and beyond? Communal hygiene is becoming more fundamental as time goes on, as we're all more conscious of the spaces we share and our presence within them. The past 12 months have demonstrated how important it is for individuals to look out for communities, and we've learned that the smallest actions can make significant impacts. By using hand sanitizer in supermarkets and on public transport, we as individuals share clear messages that we're looking out for others. As society begins to roll again, and as we start to visit each other's homes, we need to adapt our new habits to this change. We want to protect ourselves and our guests within our homes without needing to awkwardly usher everybody into the bathroom to wash their hands as soon as they arrive. It's like making someone a cup of coffee when they first come round. That act of kindness shows you care. The presence of this product shows that you care. This is a piece of design that fosters safety. And it ticks all of the boxes in terms of tech as well. British designed and Swiss engineered, it uses a hand sanitizer made from a high purity synthetic ethanol and has passed vigorous safety standards. It kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. The lithium-ion battery is the same as you'd find in your phone or any other high-end piece of tech, but this one lasts up to 6 months. And half a year later, when it's time to charge, it charges using a standard USB-C cable. It has hygienic touchless technology, precision engineered with a peristaltic pump. Yes, I did have to Google what that means. And radio frequency identification or RFID technology. It can accurately and safely deliver custom doses between 0.5 milliliters and 2 milliliters. And the tank holds up to 300 milliliters of sanitizer, so that will get you up to 600 uses. When it comes time to swap the cartridge, you guessed it, that's really easy as well. Matte black not your thing? They've got you covered with 4 different colorways. And it's available on Amazon, so you can add it to your cart right now. Anyway, that's enough about the design. Let's talk about design. When we think about design as a language, we can differentiate between different dialects. Semantics is the study of our perceptions, how we as humans interpret and understand things. What I mean by that is some designs can be soft, warm, and inviting, and other designs can be clinical, cold, and uncompromising. It's like designing a product with specific fonts. Each design detail combines to create a different persona. If you imagine those attributes as a sliding scale, you can see that you can't be on one side of the scale without sacrificing elements from the opposite side. If you design something too clinical and utilitarian, it becomes awful to use. But if you design something too soft and cuddly, then you wouldn't trust it with important tasks. It's a fine balancing act, and I think the INEOS Sanitiser Dispenser hits the nail on the head. It's sleek, minimal, and stylish, and the aluminium border that frames the unit provides a robust, levitating appearance. It would quite happily sit next to an espresso machine or hi-fi system in the home. There is a nod towards its medical heritage, but at the same time, it blends into domestic environments seamlessly. That balance between home and medical is what constitutes trust. Within that trust, good design allows you the privilege of ignoring it. You know that it's going to work, you know that it's going to function exactly how you expect, which means you don't need to think about it. Good design instills trust in not only the product, but in the people that use it. If you see this product in a home you're visiting, you'll know that the owner cares about you. They're looking out for you and they want you to feel welcome. What INEOS Hygienics has made here is the 11th principle to Dieter Rams' 10. Good design is trustworthy. Thank you so much to INEOS Hygienics for sending over the sanitizer dispenser. Go and check out their page if you're interested in learning more. As always, don't forget to comment if you've learned anything down below because I love hearing about it. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button and everything else that YouTube asks you to do. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.